welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna play fidget mail. If you don't know what's fidget mail is like you have a box, inside it will be some fidget and they will mail it to you. So like, let's get started to the video. Oh my gosh, guys, my fidget mail, I can't wait to open it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, the mail is delivered. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, everything what I ordered. I ordered this puzzle ball. Yay! I got this bun bread squishy. Yes, my two favorites. The two favorite things that I like. These are my two favorite fidgets. Oh my gosh, is this a rainbow puppet? Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's super nice. Thank you. And wait, look at the sound, guys. Oh my gosh, this is super nice. I got these 3 stuff. Let's see what we also got. Oh my gosh, I got this nice little cat squishy. Okay, and I got this simple dimple. Thank you for the fidget mail. I got all my mail. Now let's go to the my house. Oh, I'm the second fidget mailer. I came to the mail place to open my fidget. Oh my gosh, someone already opened the fidget box. I'm just gonna bring it there so my mail will come. Bring my mail, please. Oh my gosh, guys, my fidget mail. I can't wait to open it. Let's see. OMG, everything what I ordered came. I ordered this fluffy cake squishy. I ordered this nice, beautiful slime. Oh my gosh, it's super nice. Wow, I really like the slime a lot. Okay, I got these 2. Let's see what else I got. Yay, I got my red stress ball. Inside it, it's some foam soap. Yay! And it makes a lot of sound. This mashed Orby balloon stress ball. And I got this sticky balloon stress ball. Yay! These are all my stuff. One more. I got this cotton candy slime scented one. Oh my gosh. It's super nice. Thank you. The mail was amazing. Let's see. Hi, I'm the 3rd fidget mailer and I want some new fidgets. I can't wait to open. Oh, maybe someone opened it. Let me put it there so my mail will come. Oh my gosh, my fidget mail came. Let's open. Let me open it. I got my puzzle ball. Thank you. Let's see. I got this marble balloon. Super nice. This Orby balloon stress ball. Super nice. This homemade tangle, super cool. And this squishy. Oh my gosh, I got everything what I wanted. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit your notification bell for part 2. Bye!